Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can save video in CapCut in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So you can see that I'm editing a video, and if you want to just save it and later you want to edit it, then you just need to simply just click on this close button, and then here you can see save to project. And now if you open here, you can see here is your project. So if you now open it, and you can see over here that your video is saved, and now you can edit at any time you want. But if you want to just save it in a folder, then you just need to do command at the export option, name what is the name of your video, and then click export where you want to save the video. So, and then if you want to change the frame rate, you can, and then click on export. By this, you can save your video into any folder, or you can save it into CapCut. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.